one arm bridge shrug targets the rear delts, the lats, and the lower traps by working scapular depression. It's kind of like training the dip shrug, but one arm at a time, because a one arm dip shrug would be damn near impossible. Now I want you to start doing this from a seated position and really focus on getting that shoulder all the way to the ear at the bottom and then packing it all the way down at the top. You can make it harder by lifting the hips or holding a dumbbell at shoulder level or overhead. The one arm pull-up shrug is my go-to shoulder stretch, and it's the key to getting the mobility you need for flawless pull-up form. So really focus on shrugging the shoulder up towards the ear, crunching the abs, and then try to pack it all the way down, feeling a big activation of the rear delt, the lat, and also the low traps, which pull the shoulder blades down. Now, my favorite way to do this is the easiest option, parallel stance. I like doing it from a split stance, which actually increases the loading on this arm and the stretch in the hip.